found Namba, and it's kind of like daytime at nighttime. It's very bright, very lighty. Now we just need to find food. We found food. We're so happy. So happy. We're getting okonomiyaki, is that correct? Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. It's like egg pancakes with stuff. Pancakes. Is that correct? Hi. Yes. Hi. Hi. Ah, that's awesome. Good afternoon, guys. It is Saturday. We are currently in Osaka. Kat and I are having a coffee. Yeah. Quite nice coffee. Very hot, but not bad. The boys have gone off to do their own thing. We have to meet them in like half an hour. We're sort of on a hunt for Farfetched at the moment, so Kat's researching that. I can't get out of my head the fact that my feet feel really tight in my shoes, and they didn't yesterday, which means they are swollen as fuck.
It means you've gained a shoe size overnight, Hayley.
I have.
You're growing up.
I know. I've put on weight in my feet. Not a bad thing, but well, potentially not good. But yeah, everything's uncomfortable. So, oh, backlight, not good. So we're gonna finish our coffee and then we're gonna go meet up with the boys. Fun. He's a son of a bitch. The boys have requested long and soft, so we're at a market looking for long and soft.
Long and soft.
Long soft cream.
Long flaccid soft.
Can we see? Can we see? Oh.
Soft cream.
So we've come back to the apartment for snacks. These sandwiches from 7-Eleven are amazing. It's like a 3-pack. There's like tuna salad, egg salad, and then ham and salad, and they're so good. Oh my god, they're amazing. This is also fucking amazing. It's just like a layer cake. It's delicious. I also bought a bottle of strawberry liqueur, or whatever it is, and you mix it with a soda water, and that is also delicious. Despite the bright lights, it is night time, and we're going to get some dinner. Alright, so we've arrived. We are having food on sticks. We've got sauce, beer, cabbage, edamame, beer, Coke, beer, edamame, beer, edamame, beer, edamame, beer. Okay, kushikatsu, which is essentially food deep fried on a stick.
Yep.
We have potato.
Yep.
These here are cheese.
No, onion.
No, onion. Cheese and I believe beef. Dipping sauce. Let's do it.
No. Look at these guys. What the fuck are they? Taro.
Ah.
Alright, let's go, Hayley. Nana. Wait, let's have a look. Pressure. The pressure's on. Alrighty. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like a good spot. Oh, so close. Damn it.
Never mind.
Next time. We'll see you later. I'm buying some socks.
Yes. Oh, I think we're going to play some games. We are still in Osaka. This is full day number 2. I'll focus on my face camera. Second full day in Osaka. Technically our 3rd day. And we are off to breakfast. We're getting fat pancakes. Puffy pancakes? No, pancakes. I'm hungry. I know Kat's hungry.
Yes.
Yeah, it's breakfast time. We have had breakfast. We had the big pancakes. Look. We had these. They were very nice. Things are happening here. So we're headed to Osaka Castle. Just got off a train and let's go explore. What a polite little truck.
Keep on trucking, little truck. Keep on trucking.
Look, guys. Hi, buddy. Okay, there it is. Osaka Castle. It's pretty, isn't it?
Imagine trying to break into that. Like, they've got like... Can't even climb in a window.
Nah.
If you left your keys at home, oh, you'd be fucked.
Oh, yeah, mate. There's no getting in there.
Nah.
This thing is huge. Look at these rocks. This one here is taller than me. Fucking hell. How did they build this? Can we just appreciate this puppy wearing sunglasses? What are you doing? Oh, so cute. Buddy, this dog is so well behaved. So well behaved. So we are in a park near Osaka Castle. There are random cats just floating around. They're pretty friendly. And there is this fucking beautiful little foresty, just wow.
Oh my god.
So, Indian, this is my naan bread. Can we just like, look at how big it is. It is fucking huge. Let's get into it, I'm starving. Okay, aquarium. We've had lunch. I've burped the whole way here.
You did.
Full of beer. We're gonna go check out the aquarium. We made it to the aquarium.
Oh, bad lighting.
Turn around this way.
Oh, great lighting.
Great. So we're in, it's open until 8 p.m.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go enjoy it. Oh, look at the yellow one. Oh, look, little shark, little shark, little shark, little shark. This is what nightmares are made of.
Yeah, compared to like, well, you can't even tell, but he's massive. Like a dinosaur.
Oh my god. Look at this Look at that! How cute! Jesus.
Oh, look at that stingray.
I know!
Come up on your right.
Look at this. when you come to Japan, don't worry about the grudge, worry about gigantic crabs.
If it's a wait time of 30 minutes for a seat.
We are on the world's biggest Ferris wheel.
Yeah, we are.
And we are going up, up, up. We've got a fantastic view of these buildings back here. It's great.
And this metal.
Yes, look at the metal. There's a Darren and a Simon and a Jamie. Fabulous. Just, you know what? I'm having a lot of regret right now. Okay, so we're out looking for Kobe beef meat sticks and McDonald's, drinking on the street because it's legal. And there is a huge congregation of women here in Dotonbori, but they're all trying to meet up with these guys back here. I think they're somebodies. We're nobodies, so we're going. Aren't we, Jamie?
No, we're nobodies.
We're
Oh, wait. They're waiting for me.
Yes! We're also gonna get some takoyaki. Okay, we just had Kobe beef from a street vendor, and personally I feel like it wasn't worth its price tag. What do you think, Jamie?
Yeah, wasn't it 26 bucks for like
Yeah.
that much?
Yeah. In Australia, I've had better Wagyu at a Japanese restaurant, so definitely disappointing. So we decided to go to Macca's. Because apparently McDonald's in Japan is really fucking good. Now,
But like, no matter where you are in the world, you know what it's gonna taste like.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
you
gonna
do.
taste fucking the same
you're
anywhere.
not going to be disappointed with McDonald's because McDonald's is your man. Hey, we have arrived at, I believe this is called Universal City, and we are going to Universal Studios in Osaka. Attack on Titan first. This is actually Simon's request. Oh, sorry. Are you excited? Yeah. Look at it. It's pretty cool, actually. Fuck yeah, Spider-Man. Fuck yeah. Here we are. Oh, exciting. I love it. It's so cool. Oh my god. Hogwarts Express.
We're tempted to get these, but they're
$18, guys. That's probably closer to 20. I love it. Found wands, and I love how they're not, you know, perfectly organized. They're as you would imagine them to be, all in little boxes, just popped on top of each other. That's so beautiful. Buying a scarf and a cake. Alright, so we're waiting in line for a ride. We've got like half an hour before we have to go, and it's a short little ride. But something exciting happened.
I don't know if it's focusing.
Oh, yay! So we hit 100,000 on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's really exciting.
That is super exciting.
Thank you guys for supporting us all the way from
love you.
Universal Studios
In Osaka.
Osaka.